There we go, we've got the Viper DS4. Let's start the car, shall we? 1 mile remote. Car's going to start. There we go. I'll show you this cool feature. It's called pit stop. It allows you to, let's get in the vehicle. Helps if I unlock it. It is locked. There we go. This is the two-way remote that I'm using. So, put the keys in the vehicle. So now I've taken over the vehicle. I can change gears and carry on driving. Now let's say the weather's cold outside and I just got to nip into the gas station but I want to leave my car running, or in the summertime you want to keep your AC running nice and cold. I can hold the auto start button and it's taken over the vehicle. I can take the keys back out and I can lock the vehicle again. Happy days.